combats dry air conditions with this innovative personal humidifier from Kaito. You'll breathe in comfortable, moisturized air wherever you go, from the cab of your car to a cubicle. With ultrasonic technology, the humidifier draws from the built-in water tank to emit a cool mist for up to 2 hours straight. Fits easily into your car cup holder and slips seamlessly into your mix of desk accessories too, thanks to sleek, low-profile design. Features a multitude of power options. A USB plug is perfect for your workspace, and the 12-volt lighter plug suits your vehicle. Breathe easy. You can pick yours up for a low price right here.